Hello! Today I'm looking at the Geniani 2-liter ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. It has a nightlight feature, a 2-liter water tank capacity, it's very quiet, has a 360-degree mist nozzle, an automatic shutoff, and a timer for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. It's easy to use. It does not work with essential oils. It's a nice, compact unit with a large 2-liter water tank. The product comes with the humidifier, the power cable, and a manual. It's easy to use. You remove the water tank, open the tank cap, pour distilled water into the water tank, put the cap back on the tank, plug in the power, put the water tank back on the base. There's a touch-sensitive button to control the humidifier. With the first touch, you turn the diffuser on high with the light on. Second touch, the light turns off. The third touch turns it on low with the light on. The fourth touch turns it on low with the light off. And the fifth touch turns off the humidifier. There's also a timer touch-sensitive button to control when the device turns off in 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. The LED is located underneath the tank in the back of the unit. You can easily turn the 360-degree mist nozzle. The humidifier puts out a good amount of water vapor on high and low. With the lights off, you can see that the humidifier projects a neat water effect. Unfortunately, it is a blue light, and blue lights are not recommended for nighttime sleeping. As you can see, it puts out a good amount of water vapor on both high and low. The Geniani Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier puts out a lot of water vapor with a small footprint. It's easy to use, it's easy to maintain. The blue water effect is pretty neat. It's a great product, just don't use the blue light at night. You can find a link to the product in the description below. Thanks for watching.